Do this urgently in August. You can extend your vegetable harvest by up to 3 weeks. Your plants will keep producing until fall, and it only takes 2 simple kitchen ingredients. In a small bowl, pour in 7 ounces of cold water. This will be the base of the mix. Now add honey. It's not just a natural sweetener, it's packed with nutrients that help plants too. It supports beneficial soil microbes and boosts plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir until fully dissolved. The next ingredient is baking soda. It acts as a natural pH balancer and helps fight fungi and bacteria. In the right amount, it also encourages strong root growth. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix again. In a larger bowl, pour in about 1 quart of water. Add the honey and soda mixture and stir gently. Use this natural fertilizer to water your tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. The best time is once a week in the morning, before the sun gets too hot. This mix promotes blooming, strengthens roots, and can extend the fruiting period by several weeks. Your plants will be stronger and produce more. Don't wait. August is your last chance to give your vegetables a natural boost before fall.